The gang come with certain paranoia.
13, you ain't know that I been here in licks. Step on shit like a dumb man. You sliding that boot, put your car taking you it. Had that clear shot, but you blew it. These niggas be capping, these niggas be acting. I'm shipping that shit. Send my bitch to this stuff for some random, some plastic. Ayy, nigga through all of the internet whoops that I pull up in sections with static. 15 years old when I bought my first blow.
What's going on, YouTube? Fat Boy here back with another video, man. Y'all go like, comment, share, subscribe, man. So today is another day in the neighborhood of Dallas, Texas. You know, I ain't really got nothing going on, man. I'm just probably finna go do some maintenance on the daily. Yeah, y'all probably can't even see me, but yeah, I'm probably, like I said, going to get a watch stuff, going to get oil change. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Ain't too much wind noise. I'm trying to cover it up or whatever. But yeah, it's a pretty good day. Pretty kind of sunny out here. Ain't too much going on. Really quiet. It was raining earlier, but you know how Texas weather is. Rains for 5 minutes, sunny for 5 minutes, get cold for 6 minutes. And be goddamn yelling for 8 minutes, you know. But y'all just stay tuned for everything I got going on today. You know, I'll get back right with y'all. It's kind of cloudy, but looks like it's trying to pass over, you know. Nice little view of the pool or whatever. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. Yes, sir. That's a cheap day. And so probably tomorrow, I'm gonna get storm wash and everything again. But today I'm getting I call her Spice. I'm gonna get her cleaned up. Probably gonna get me I need a cap for my tire stem. But yeah, to get her washed up. Man, comment down below if y'all think I should put some rims, put some beat in the trunk, and just convert this car into like a whole show car. I've been debating and all that, but I don't know because I still want to daily drive it. So yeah, man. So yeah, I need to get this car washed. It's filthy. It is filthy. But y'all already know. My baby Storm, stay right. Y'all go follow me on Instagram. Go subscribe to the channel. Y'all know what's going on. I forgot to grab. What is this going on the radio? We're gonna turn that off. Now you gotta keep that thing on deck. Gotta keep that thing on deck. I need to vacuum this side out. But look, gotta keep that thing on deck, man. Gotta keep that thing on deck. Oh yeah. Gotta keep that on deck. No cap. Man, so as y'all can see, it says oil change required. I've been needing to get this oil change for about 2 days, but like I said, this car, it really just sits. If I ain't in, going nowhere and storm or whatever. But today we're gonna take care of the daily, man. Take care of what take care of you on a daily basis, man. You got to. It's a must. But yeah, we're gonna go get her washed. I already put some tires on her. Get this oil change. I put some windshield wiper fluid in here. Yeah, so she almost back 100%, man. Oh yeah, I gotta get that what's that thing called? That tire valve stem cap. Gotta go get that too. So yeah, man, so y'all just stay tuned. I am on the way to the oil change place. I would do it by myself, but I'm in a rush today. I gotta go to the bank. I I gotta do a lot of stuff today, man. So y'all just stay tuned for this journey today. Yes, sir. Oh, we can't even see the road, but yeah. Pulled up here to the oil change place. Finna get this oil change. I'm finna see how much what they talking about. Yes, sir. I need a oil change.
Right, yeah. And this car's been here before?
Yes, it has. It has.
Okay, right here. I'll take it from here. Have a seat inside, outside, whatever you like.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I gotta put this mask on. I know that. Cover that bad boy up to the aisles, didn't it? Sheet. Yeah, like I said, people may vary. They may pick and choose who they want to do their oil change. But I go crazy because I've been taking my car to crazy for a minute. For my daily, they do a good job. They check all the tires, make sure all the tires are good or whatever, and let me know if anything's out of line. But yeah, man, make sure y'all get y'all masks, man. You don't know what these folks got out here.
So y'all keep your mask on and wash your hands, man. Trying to do a good job, but man, wash your hands, I'm telling you. But yeah, man, I'm gonna let y'all know when we get down here.
Yeah, I made it out of there. Oil change done. Back at 100, whatever. Now, like I need some gas, so I gotta go stop and get some dang on fuel. Golly. Oh man, but ain't one thing, it's another. Go with bitch ass niggas right there. And I'm not taking that out. Tough. Man, y'all check the gas prices out in Texas, bro. Check them out.
Come on, coach. I will take it.
What? $10 in here just to get by. That bitch almost filled me. I got 218 miles to eat. Bro, what is these folks doing? Let me get the hell away from here. These folks out here tweaking. But yeah, man, I put $10 in here just to see what it would get me. Bruh. 218 miles to empty. Ain't no way the scat would have got that good gas mileage with $10. $10 wouldn't even probably put that mug. That motherfucker probably wouldn't even have moved. Gotta throw the seatbelt on, I know that. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm on my way back, man, to getting this car washed, man. Y'all decided to hit up my boy Ruben again for a little wash. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing washed and I'm gonna get back with y'all and show y'all the finishing product.
Clean.
Do the windows, be done.
This side window.
Maintenance on the reflection. You see it. Get at my boy Ruben. I'm telling y'all slacking. Get at my boy. Too bad Ruben ain't got no Instagram or nothing, so they can't hit you up. But he said he gonna make one. You know. Yeah. So that's all for this video, man. So y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Y'all go. Ooh, what's going on with this music? Y'all go subscribe. Y'all go share. Go like. Watch all my videos. Hit that bell so you're notified every time I post. I'm gonna put this seatbelt on in a minute. But that's all for this video. Yes, sir. I'm out.